The course is a combination of a applied physics course and an extension of the existing home renovation course. We're trying to get students actively engaged and engrossed in the life of a trades professional.
Being able to talk to a lot of those professionals that are out there right now, giving the kids that experience, being able to ask some of the questions and get real world answers for them.
We're always looking for the practical application of whatever we're teaching. It's not something that we add on after the fact or look for a useful lab. It's sort of where we start.
It's different because it's way more hands-on than a typical class. I am someone who loves working with my hands and building stuff.
Momentum is very hands-on. I really like that because it's very helpful to learn the subjects. You're really able to understand what you're doing and how to physically do it.
If someone even has the slight interest in signing up for a momentum class, do it.